Hey everyone, today we present this Victron 12-inch oscillating fan by Victor Electric Products in Cincinnati, Ohio. And I'm willing to bet that that company no longer exists today. Anyway, what we're going to do is give you a running demonstration of this fan. Now these fans were basically mass-produced units built to a price point, but they are so much better than any fans made today. These are fully serviceable and they're made to last for quite a while. Anyway, we did some work on this fan. We adjusted the blades and gave it a good servicing. And this fan is running great now, which we'll show you here in the demo. And we'll get that started on low speed now. And we'll bring in the oscillation, and this is a little bit fiddly to do with the fan running. It's probably better to just shut the unit off to do this, but it looks like we pretty well got it going here. And we'll bring it up to medium. And we'll bring it up to high speed. And we'll put the fan back into stationary mode. And we'll turn it off to watch it spin down. And so with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing this Victron fan get put through its paces. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button below. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button as well, because we will have more to come. And so with that, we will see you later.